So welcome back to the channel. Candace with the K here. Boredom and quarantine leads you to do some things that you don't normally do, and today I decided to play in some purple eyeshadow. The Air Jordan 1 purples dropped today, which I didn't get. Easter is tomorrow, so I was like, purple is kind of the color of the weekend. So if you like this look, please keep watching, and if you really love it, thumbs it up. So to start off this look, I'm using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm putting that all over my lid, particularly below the crease. I take a flat brush and I just smooth that all over so that it gives me the proper base to apply a pigmented color, because I want this purple to pop. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. It is the purple shade in the top right corner. I'm packing it on first to kind of create an outline for myself, and then I use small circular motions to drag that throughout the crease. Next, I'm taking the darker purple shade of that palette, and I'm going to also put this in my crease, packing it on first, just to create a little bit more depth to the look and to give it some dimension. I go back and forth between both eyes because I want them to look as complementary as possible. So you'll see me do a little dabble here and then a little dabble on the other eye, just to make sure everything is looking cohesive. I take a fluffy blending brush just to try and get rid of any lines of demarcation. I then take the BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes palette, and see, these are the two colors I'm going to be playing with today. I use my fingers because I get more payoff with the color by using my fingers than using a brush. See how it comes out just a lot more. And so I start with the darker purple shade first, and then the lighter purple shade on top. I then take that fluffy blending brush again and just make sure everything is seamless and all together. Cute. I go back into the Take Me to Brazil palette, that deep purple color, to kind of go underneath the eye. Not too much because I don't really like under the eye makeup, but just enough to put the look all together. Next, I apply some eyeliner. This is just some e.l.f., nothing really spectacular about it. I then prep my lashes for lashes by applying mascara. You gotta focus when you put these false eyelashes, okay? Because that is the most stressful part about eye makeup, is the lashes. Ugh, lashes are like, ooh. Then I put some mascara on my lower lashes to give me that twiggy look. This is the Morphe Lip Kit. I have a video for it. It will be in the description box. It is the lipstick and the lip gloss. And boom, we are out here, okay? Quarantine ready. Corona free, okay? Stay inside, playing some makeup, enjoy this time, and be safe. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video.